Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this dynamic running text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in, for instance, this video, and I want to add in a running text underneath that, well, like below that. So just go to text, add in your text. I'm just going to select the default text, and we're going to make it as small as possible, like this small. And you can type in anything you want, like this is the Northern Lights, also known as Aurora I can't spell that. Aurora, it is so beautiful and like you. And also, thank you for watching this video, okay? That's just random. And you can also change the font as well if you'd like to. Just to make it prettier like that. And you can also go down and you can even add a glow to it. You can change the colors as well to the glow if you'd like to. You can adjust the intensity here and the range. Maybe I want the purple one instead. Actually, I'll just go with the green one. You can add in a background to it as well, like go to like library and add in the black stock video or the white stock video underneath. If it's not long enough, you can definitely just crop that. Oops, I meant you can freeze frame it, delete that, add it to the end of the video and just drag it down, or you can use a mask instead to make it move. I am going to add in a keyframe here, and I'm going to place this to the very right, and at the end of the text I'm going to drag that to the very left, like so. And you can extend the duration of these as well if it's not slow enough. Okay, the video is too short, but if the text isn't slow enough, you can just select the keyframe and move it to the further side. But that should be it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.